Orlando Pirates is making a very big mistake releasing Udino van Rooyen. You can't tell me ukuthi you are releasing a traditional right back and then uzokhipha abantu ukuthi they are forwards who are converted into defenders. It doesn't make sense. Usibelebele niyambona bafethu ukuthi is very sloppy when he has to track back amake. Uwenza amafoul unnecessary. Sometimes it's easy for the opposing players ukuthi bamthathe. Sometimes he comes in lapha eboxini angene clumsy and vele you'd expect umuntu who plays as a forward ukuthi makeze mover ne expect ukuthi aqine kube uyo makaya. You expect him to make mistakes. Why is Orlando Pirates releasing Udino van Rooyen? Why sign him in the first place? Udino van Rooyen, Bafethu, if we are being honest, he wasn't given a fair chance. The last time Van Rooyen was given a chance was under Jose Rivero. We are talking about a guy. In South Africa, it was Khuriso Mudau then Dino van Rooyen. Bese sazi ukuthi uDino van Rooyen no Khuriso Mudau ma defender kukuThanswembe. And I remember Hugo Bruce even giving him a call up when Bafana was playing a friendly and he got his chance yokuthi adlale. Why is Orlando Pirates releasing him? Kule transfer window le Orlando Pirates have released 4 traditional fullbacks. Bahambe ba release uShandu, ba release uNdlozi, ba release uLibito. Now they've released Udino van Rooyen. And what's strange is that they even loaned out Lomchita Lonomashilwan. What's strange is that labantu laba ba release ababa replacing abantu ukuthi they play that position ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala leyo position. So you telling me usibelebele no company lungu yiba bazoloke bachengisana ngokuthi omunye uzodlala emuva omunye adlale phambili omunye emuva omunye phambili. I don't understand what's happening Orlando Pirates. Management is starting to fail us bafethu. And mina the biggest issue that I have right now is that coach Abdeslam Owadu seems as though ufuna ukuyiqeda yonke lento le yaka Jose Rivero. It seems as though Owadu is trying to get rid of ama-player ka Jose Rivero and then eze ngama-player wakhe yena ama-player wakhe amasho ukuthi right now these players are not offering the team anything. Yini especially abayenza Mukoboti. You understand that there's this hype around him. Mama fan by a screamer. Yeah, Mukobodi general. We are not looking for a general. We are looking for someone who effective Pambili. We have plenty of generals. Ukonu Slepe, he's a general. Cameron Tenson, general. Talentembata, box to box general. Sihlenduli, general, though injured. We are sorted when it comes to Lai Midlini. What we need is someone who's a challenger, Utito. If Tito gets injured, who replaces Utito? I got a replacement to Tito. Which is why Tito will have a big head at because we are as good the position we pet. Now you are not signing a traditional right back. Instead no converter abante kwa ma attacker nibathathe ni defending ngabo. What is Orlando Pirates doing? If Orlando Pirates was to play Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns right now bangabona into abangakaze bayibone. There's no way this team is defending itreble yabo ngale strategy lesabahamba ngaso. There's no way this team is winning anything kule season ngale strategy abahamba ngaso. There is no way this team is qualifying for the CAF Champions League group stages ngale ndlela labahamba ngayo. Mina ke ngithanda ukuphikisana nama legend lawa khulumayo. Coach Owadu won't finish this season ku Pirates. Le season lena is going to expose the kind of coach that he is. Le season lezo sibonisa ukuthi le rotation ya last season le finder winning games ngama chance winning game ngama lucky waiting for your opposition ukuthi ba consider ama goal kuzi Pirates phakamise trophy. Kule season angeke kube njalo. That's why there's no Ovid College, there's no Mark CFC. Which team this season is going to give Orlando Pirates 3 points ukuthi alabantu laba bazosigibela? Coach Owadu must take the institution serious. This is a very big institution. It has become so easy ukudlalela Pirates ukuthi when you come from a different team mawufika ku Pirates manje awudingi nokuthi ulele uJersey mawufika nje Owadu yakuthatha yakufaka. Gone are the days where Mau signed by Orlando Pirates as a player you knew ukuthi yazini you have to fight to earn your place in the team. Manje nabakusayini Pirates yakuthatha yakufaka. We've seen it bafethu. Lo mfana lo Mukobodi Pirates im announce nini? Akayanga na ku preseason is getting game time. Amachita who went to preseason with the club bahlele benchini. Lo mfana lo Slepe was there. Umpophadime when is he getting a chance? He was there go preseason bahleli le mastenzini. I honestly don't understand what's happening lapha ku Orlando Pirates and there's someone who is just not doing their job because loyo muntu loyo uye lo Messi ngale ndlela le amazing ngayo. What business did Orlando Pirates have signing 11 central defensive midfielders? What business did they have? Baba isaphi labo bantu laba. Instead of investing in the positions where last season Orlando Pirates was lacking, I'm starting to sound like a broken record now because into ngikhuluma ngayo le week in week out. Signa la ushota khona sharp. Nisayinile lo mfana lo nune urapo. There's undaba huna personally I don't understand ukuthi usayenza net the team but amen. Kunondaba kunohoto siyazi ukuthi lapha ku left back there are 3 options which means in terms of ama left back Orlando Pirates is sorted bangahamba bayodlala in 5 competitions. Makuza kuma right back kudlala bani usibelebele the whole season. You expecting usibelebele to play the whole season. Already usibelebele uyakubonisa ukuthi sekane fatigue. Uyakubonisa ukuthi competing at a high level where there's high tempo, where week in week out you are expected to perform at the highest level is challenging. Usibelebele uyakubonisa ukuthi kuyamchallenge ukuperforma consistently week in week out giving the same performance. It's challenging him lo mfana lona. That's why you need someone azocompete naye kule position azokwazi ukuthi achangeane naye. It's bad enough ukuthi he's not a natural right back. Nehamba nina ni release uDino van Rooyen. Skhalile naba release uLisanda and then we were like okay sharp, maybe it's because he's injury prone. Where they started getting it wrong, number one, Ngokambi Sumbule. Whereas they could have set him down and fixed whatever issues they had now, because now they don't have someone okwazi ukubamba ibhola njengombule in the middle of the park. But we move because bahambe bayosayina ama central midfielder 11. They released uThabiso Sesane for what? For what? uThabiso Sesane bekasase sharp. Why release uThabiso Sesane ubuyile ku injury? Mkayeni na igame time asibonakalise ukuthi udlala kanjani uNtswembu bayamrelease sharp, no problem. Bahambisa uShandu, no problem. Ndlozi, no problem. Libitso sesiyazibuza manje ukuthi hayibo masenihambisa all these guys that were there lesikhathi swina ama back to back MTN 8 swina ama Nedbank Cup. These are the guys who pushed safika ku semi-final CAF Champions League. Last season they were there. Orlando Pirates might win treble. Ulibitso contributed. There were games where he played. Van Rooyen even though angafeaturanga kaningi mara contributile bayahanjiswa bonke. Now laba abantu laba bazo replace ama player ngene experience abangakaze badlala iCAF, abangakaze baba in a position where they had to defend a trophy. Lo mfana lona Umukobodi, I just want to use him as an example. He comes from Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch ika defender le pick up. Ika defend ngicela ningitshele ku comment section manje. Stellenbosch ika defender le pick up. When were Stellenbosch FC defending champions? If it happened a while ago. Lama player la ukuthi they were there, abo Devin Titus, abo Jaden Adams, abo Fawaz Basadin, abasekho lapho. Abo Ikram Reyners, abo Ashley Dupree, abasekho lapho bahambile baya kwamanye ama team. You are bringing to us youngsters ukuthi they are not experienced sharp, but the best way to introduce youngsters, they have to be surrounded by experience. Isn't that what we complained about ngeChiefs ukuthi the reason it seems as though Umdu Shabalala is not performing to the best of his ability nalomfana lona Umfundo Vilakazi is because Chiefs doesn't have enough experienced players who will make it easy for these youngsters to express themselves. But thina siboni ngale ndlela iPirates bakusayina namhlanje kusasiyo angeno uyadlala. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is confused. Owadu is confused and he has to be the most confused coach that I've ever seen empilweni nami. Ngiyaqala mina ukubona umuntu who had a winning team emwinele 3 major trophies kwileague yakhe bese the following season uya rebuild. Uyayichange yonke le team la ufuna uqalela team from scratch. Yet you have so many trophies to defend. Yet the fans are expecting ukuthi Orlando Pirates ifike very far ku CAF Champions League. Angeke Mamelodi Sundowns ukuzoba yiyo kuphela team in 8 as you two. We all know ukuthi lama team melalingane. Pirates Sundowns mele silingane when it comes to it, but this is something ayenzayo. Owadu bafethu inkinga. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is a problem and abantu abaningi abayiboni lento lena. People are blinded by the trophies that he won. So kunesisho sesilungu engisithandayo sithi prevention is better than cure. Mawubona ukuthi kunenkinga ezayi avoid leyo nkinga leyo. How do you avoid leyo nkinga leyo? Ngokuthi okay, these are the measures that I need to take ukuthi 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ingamosheki. Dino van Rooyen is your right back. You know there will be games where you playing against a team that know how to press you high abakuhlaselayo. You playing against the Mamelodi Sundowns and ama winger creative abakwazi ukukhatha and take on players. Sibelebele will struggle. You need someone like Dino van Rooyen because ujwayele ukuthi mina ispan sam ukumaka ngwini ibholo ngiphase phambili. Play someone like Dino van Rooyen. Uyahamba uya ku CAF. Usibelebele bazofika bamgijimise le ku CAF. Number 1 une pace siyavuma, but when it comes to physicality banokumpusha welele. Number 2 Sibelebele uyadribuleka, Sibelebele uClumsy wenza ama mistake amaningi. Who do you replace Sibelebele with? Knowing coach Owadu yothatha replace uSibelebele ngolungu. I don't understand. Ulungu should be added to the number of forwards that Orlando Pirates has. Ulungu niyambona bafethu effective lapha eboxing, more effective than Umbutuma actually. Uyadlala lapha. Now coach Owadu Orlando Pirates last season kunala complainer khona ukuthi he needs a striker. They go sign him a striker Baby Haaland. The least he can do ke ukwazisa ama fan ukuthi if lo muntu uyagula saziseni ukuthi uyagula kakabi ready, maybe change of climate, lo muntu unama challenge athile, let us know. But no, Orlando Pirates ithulile mapaka it's so sad to say this, but this is going to be a very long season for the Pirates. The Pirates hasn't been really challenged. Le game le Amazulu was the only challenge that they had. Chippa United was easy. Milford was easy. Durban City babonisile low block namanje ukuthi you don't have enough creative players that can break your low block, creative players that can create chances. When chances are created rather, asina muntu in the final third wa convertayo waqedayo lawo ma chance lawo. That's Orlando Pirates for you. So, Mina, all I can say is that now it has become so easy to play for Orlando Pirates. It's become so easy for you to be featured go Orlando Pirates. I wouldn't be shocked le game le weekend my qala kudlala ama players ngawazi. Sekukuthi Sipho Chain akana competition, but I wouldn't be shocked when this young goalkeeper they signed from Stellenbosch ne afika qala. And I ask myself, Coach Owadu ucabanga kanjani? He doesn't think like someone that's played professional football. He doesn't think like someone that has played at the highest level and competed emhlabeni la beku so competitive khona. He thinks like umuntu oqeda ungena manje ku coaching. You can't rotate team yakho every week like coach athanda ukusho. You can't rotate a team every week. When a week in, week out to rotate a team, you change a team. Lama players are trying to build a combination. Last season, you had a combination between Apollis, Muremi, Nalomfana Lomfukeng. You need to find a new combination. You on every week you change a play. Every week when Orlando Pirates is in serious trouble under Coach Owadu win. Sishilo last season sat treble winile sharp. It was questionable how he won it. Stellenbosch mbambile MTN8. It took extra time for Orlando Pirates to win it. Angithi yababamba futhi Marumo Gallants ngefinal calling knockout by winning extra time. I-league by winning kanjani. Sundowns had to lose certain games in order for Orlando Pirates to stand a chance because Owadu beseka wadropila ma points. It took Orbit College to concede 2 own goals because the Pirates win naleyo league yabo. How they won the treble yabo was questionable. Now it's even more questionable how Owadu intends to defend yona le treble yakhe. Ngeke aze defend le treble. The only thing that needs to happen is Owadu needs to take his bag ahamba ele Morocco ayo coach akona. Orlando Pirates needs a coach that can understand the players. Kona manje they missed out on the signing akasiyanda Ndlovu. Mbhekeni uNdlovu ushayina kanjani lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns. Mbhekeni ukuthi uNdlovu ushayina kanjani lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns. He didn't want to play for the badge. Bekafuna ukuthi ngipheni imali ngidlale ngicace Mamelodi Sundowns iwinile. Mamelodi Sundowns iwinile. Mina ke bafethu I'm one person ngiye support the Pirates ngiyithanda mari Pirates my bet yabet. I-management no Owadu bayabheda manje lento abasenzela yona asiyazi ukuthi yini. Ayikho lento lesibhekayo. You playing against Iskukune is weak. uCedric Kaze waze lapho ukudlala MTN8, but I can tell you he's going to take the game to Pirates because it has become so easy to play against Orlando Pirates and it's become so easy to play for Orlando Pirates. They don't even play like defending champions. They don't play like abantu ukuthi bazimisele ukuthi benze anything. And then Owadu wakhona, the way he is so biased, he took to media wahamba wayo criticize lama player abuya ku World Cup athi yena he doesn't have time. Amanye ama player mele babuye USA imqondo yabisa sese USA. Umbuthuma didn't even go USA. I don't even think ukuthi uphumile South Africa during that break. I could be wrong. But Umbuthuma instead but he's important. He's doing a good job for the team. Umuntu angazi uthola ama chance ayingaki uyawamiss. All we hear is he's pulling defenders. He's making it difficult for defenders to defend. Which defender? That's why uncane akwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi Pirates is just a team. It's just a team. Ubudefender nguMbuthuma uncane. What are defenders defending against Mbuthuma? We need to be fair and honest, bafethu. What's happening khona manje lapha Orlando Pirates? Nyaza ama supporter amaningi bazongena kuma comment section. Ayikho lento ekhulumayo. Hey, Owadu is a good coach until Owadu lose MTN8. Then people will start to open their eyes with hey, lo coach lo. We complained ngaye na last season ngithi hey, what a lucky coach. A very very lucky coach. Ufike la afike khona by luck lo mjita lo. Emsebenzela inhlanhla yakhe Owadu, but what's happening now? Lento yenzakala ku Orlando Pirates bafethu it's a joke. Sekufika abafana abancane singabazi nokuthi basuke kuphi bakwazi ukubench abantu bebakhona kwini ama treble. Ama player ukuthi basuke kahle from DDC bangena baziveza, they played well, they were better composed, bazibonakalisa ukuthi kumnandi namhlanje bahlele ema standsini. Abokabelo Dlamini who have been there kwini ama Nedbank Cup back to back, kwini ama MTN8 back to back, challenging for the league. Orlando Pirates has been challenging Mamelodi Sundowns for the past couple of seasons. Abo Dlamini were there. He was there in creativity, scoring a set piece. Marabo Owadu abanandaba babadlalisi bazozidlalisela abafana singabazi nokuthi basuka kuphi labafana sebayafika bathola game time. Hi. Yes, I agree with you. Oh, what a beautiful comment. Ubani lo uphi lo muntu lo? Comment yakho isukile. Owadu uthole i-team ihlangene. I still maintain it was the foundation of Jose Rivero that won Orlando Pirates the treble, not coach Abdeslam Owadu. And I'll tell you why I say this. Bekuthi makushubile last season Owadu bekayenzani. When he started the season, the first 2 games of the season, Magasqala bescomplain abakupha bombatha wadliwa yamshaya marumo gelenza yamshaya chipa yamshaya istelan yamshaya isikhukhune wabona kahle ukuthi ithabuyele ku default settings sekaletha bombatha sekafaka bomahupa sekafaka botito second half sekadlalisa bomfukeng. Only then Orlando Pirates started playing because these players have been there longer than the players that he was playing. It's those players that have been there longer than Abo Diong nabo Banban that won us the treble, not Owadu. Abantu babona ngathi ayikho lento esikhulumayo. Coach Abdeslam Owadu didn't win a treble. He just so happened to be a coach at that time. Ubenefitile from the hunger and passion yama player to win. Ubenefitile from the passion yakamfukeng challenging ichairman and saying angifuni ukuhamba kule season, I want to win the league first. Mfukeng was determined to win the league. He was determined. So Owadu benefited from it determination ama player lawa. Ama player applied themselves and bebas misele. That's how Orlando Pirates won. Even us the fans, we wanted it so bad. Yithi besibhekala ama player lawa. Yithi besenza ama live is complain ukuthi akube kanje ucoach Owadu abadidekile ngazi ukuthi uyenzana agcwele imida lokade. I think into besizwa kuye. Then Orlando Pirates won the treble. We supported this team before Owadu even came to South African football. Angesizwa ngo-Owadu namhlanje azochange identity ne philosophy team yethu. Which player came to Orlando Pirates and benched Tsovilakazi amtholela phaya? Uba novela wafika wathi Tsovilakazi akangene akahlala ebenchini ngoba sekufika uzibanibani. Abo Chiefs ilandele le team abo Chiefs boy nabo Makhanya basagijima. Kusagijima abo Gift Liremi. We know the culture and identity of this team. Owadu angazosijwayela silethele ibhola lase France akahamba eFrance. Ayikho into Owadu ayenza amamthando Owadu bheda njengaye nawo. Ayikho indaba kaOwadu. He's killing this team. Khona manje sekumele mazidlala iPirates isiminye ukuthi ethi sibone ukuthi iPirates izowina kanjani. Angibomvu namhlanje. Angibomvu namhlanje kuvutha kuze kuvutha neindlebe bathi ngesizulu ngivutha amalangabe umlilo wami umubi namhlanje mawuze kabi comment section osenkingeni. Owadu must leave. Ayikho into yakhe. We don't need him. We never needed him. Akahamba ucoach Owadu. I-management is-respect bahambe bosayinela ama-player alright. At this point if iPirates idlala ne-Chiefs ingadliwa iPirates. If idlala ne-Sundowns ingadliwa iPirates. We playing against some team yaseMadagascar for iKF. I'm worried. Cabanga sesaba ama team yaseMadagascar ngoba sibheke ukuthi Owadu wenzani. Of course, players like uTito will have a big head because number 1 uyazi ukuthi uTito akana replacement kule position. Uyazi ukuthi akana challenge kule position uTito. Uyazi ukuthi nanoma ngadlala kabi ama supporter will still scream his name. Wetito, Umbuthuma. Ngibona abantu bashayela Umbuthuma izandla Umbuthuma bafethu eteamini enkulu njenge Pirates. When a player is not delivering some, we cheering him on. Is that what Orlando Pirates has become? Itime ukuthi si support mediocrity manje. We stand against mediocrity now ku Pirates ukuthi one day uzokora. Ku Pirates one day uzokora. Bafithu animeni kancane, bafithu ningazodlala ngathi bafithu. Animeni kancane ningazodlala ngathi. Chiefs got to where they are today because of yona lento leyo kulebele. Uyeza. Mpeni isikhathi uyeza akunasikhathi sawuyeza when you play for Pirates. Akunasikhathi sawuyeza mawudlalela iChiefs udlalela iSundowns. You are either there or you are not. And if you are not, go play for Chippa United. Go play for teams lezansi le lama team oyi3 yiwaphi South African football identity nethunze emhlabeni wonke. Ama scouts nawasuka le abeza ukuzobheka Chippa United bazobheka iPirates Chiefs Sundowns. You are my team abhekwayo baba. When a national team coach takes over ibafana before they can look at these other teams babheka qala iPirates Chiefs Sundowns. If you are not performing at that level hamba. Playing for Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns and Chiefs comes with a lot of pressure. It comes with a lot of pressure. We don't have time for content creators abafuna attention bazostitcha ama video. Hey Owadu yaphetha ukhulumani win treble yokunuka akuna treble Owadu ayinile ama player winele treble le. Yithi ama supporter esibaphushile lama player ukuthi baswinele le treble le. Akuna Owadu win treble ya Knicks la. Coach Owadu has never been a good coach and I maintain angikaze ngavumelana ne philosophy yakhe. Ngambona lesasikhatha lokaletha ama player amaningi wemarumo Gallants ku Pirates abench ama player ekudala khona. Tell me now emhlabeni onke jikelele ubani oke wafika ku Madrid wafika wabench ama player ukuthi bebalaphaya that have won izinto for a team. Those players had to earn, and even uCristiano Ronaldo wafika ku Madrid number 7 ufaka uRaul. He had to wait ukuthi awuthole la number 7. Kylian Mbappe, Modric beku number 10 we Madrid. He had to wait. uLamine Yamal bengeka athi asafika nje uMessi sekahlele ebenchini sekudlalwe uLamine Yamal. Asiyazi thina lento lokuthi iphuma up. It's just coach Deslam Owadu, and the biggest issue here is we expect foreign coaches to understand our football. That's impossible. Uzolazela phi ibhola lethu umuntu asuka ngaphandle. uzolazelaphi uzocomplain uOwadu when someone who is umuntu okwazi ukuslowa down itempo ye game asibuyise gamini. Owadu will complain because yena la suka khona ba attack. Well, unfortunately that's not our identity, coach. Understand ukuthi thina we are a ball playing nation. Thina ama player wethu ayadlala, we open spaces, shama pass. Thina coach ama player wethu maswina, they build it. Actually, ama player wethu even uSifiso Meni bekasho, coach thina masidlala kugcwele e-stadium sonke kuthe the only way mina as a player ngifaka ama player wami game sometimes ngiyalibamba kancane. I'm breaking their eyes ukuthi my gents asidlaleni. You understand? So I don't understand this thing, and Tito is struggling because of Yena. The same very Abdeslam Owadu is expecting him to play game angayazi. Why don't you embrace him game yaga Tito and say that okay, ngiyakubona udlala, so the only way I can bring out the best of you is to embrace game yakho. Play the way ufuna ukudlala ngakhona. Let's see if sizowathola ama results, but no, mela ma player meet standards aka coach because coach yena he knows better. Akahambe. Akunale ukuthi he'll be fine mapakapaka kusa early into ilungiswa bafethu ngakamoshakali kusa early uyabona ukuthi ne man ithing avoid ukuthi imosheke. Yes, don't fix it if it's not broken, but if you can see ukuthi intambo yakho icable lakho seliyaqala lahlephuka kuvele something lilungise, because waliyeka liyoze livuleke, then by the time elusebenzisa imic wakho ayisazwakala imicrophone yakho. That's Coach Abdeslam Owadu for you. That's Coach Abdeslam Owadu for you. Uzofika lapha yana ama player right acacila yohlala, they don't even make it to the stands. Okay, let's say we are giving players a fair chance. When are we giving Chabatsani a chance? Wasn't the last time we saw Chabatsani play ilesikhatha Messi penalty kudlala neKaizer Stars nakhona wangena as a substitute, then you expect him ukuthi akupha ama results. Umbuthuma got his chance, bench hlulekile, failed dismally, bench akunani ukuthi bench akumele xoxwe anything prime sikuphila chance akunambuthuma ya next ambo bambuthuma le last funa ama results la. Here we are result driven. If a player uyathatha iball pen uyayisign icontract yePirates mele uhlala wazi ukuthi Mdusibeko and the likes are on your case if I perform. That's the nature of the game. Ayikenye ihlula leyo, ayikho ehlula leyo. Baby Haaland angena nayo 4-5 games angaperform yebaba bench. Sifuna omunye umuntu asinasikhathi sepatience iyavala manje transfer window ne. We need a replacement for Dino van Rooyen. We need someone who is a natural right back bangazo replaceela yena ngama wing. Let wingers play where they play and let defenders play where they play. Kusekusele kancane ukuthi sibone inkosi nathi sibisimo sibamconvert bamshayisa number 10. I wouldn't be shocked ngibona usibisi sekadlala number 10 because ngathi Owadu into ayenza nje experiment week in week out, experiment. Ayi suka. We are playing Skukhune 3 games. We don't expect a draw. Expect ukubashawe 3 lama game lawa. Anytime sadliwa coach uhlulekile. Sesidliwa bo Skukhune futhi. Ikshayile the same Skukhune that you only got. Uphela Owadu uthole 1 point from Skukhune last season. He played them twice. He only got a point. So this season mela sibonise ukuthi lento eyenzakale last season was a mistake. Mela ishaye. Pirates is a big team. So dliwa abantu esingabazi la. Bathatha uTshegofatso Mabasa, a prolific striker. That was very unfair. Injustice bafethu to Tsegofatso Mabasa. Yini wrong ayenzile ukuthi bamthathe bamluni. What did he do wrong? So you sacrificed Mabasa for lomfana lo Mbuthuma wenzeni wrong, and then the fans, you have patience nomuntu ongakori, but lo bekankorela sikhona ukuthi simlwele. Bafethu makabuye, why singamlwelanga uMabasa ukuthi no, we need Mabasa nilwela lo ngakori. Nathi sometimes asinaqiniso bafethu. Asinaqiniso masa abantu bafethu mele sikhuluma iqiniso, and we need to stand for the truth. Umbuthuma is costing Orlando Pirates. Owadu is costing Orlando Pirates. Chabatsane has to be given a chance. uDlamini mele aphiwe chance. Bafailile abanye kula position. We don't want him fucking replacement. We want another player that can offer us a lot in attack, umuntu creative ozoscorela ama goal. If lelo player lelo is not lama player wadlalisa every week, try other players. Lo mfana lo Pharimu promotiwe to go play for first team nangu seNetherlands wambe neDDC. Ayi Owadu use Netherlands manje wambe neDDC for what? Hayi suka bafethu ithi ngivula ama line manje ongenayo asithukani sikhuluma ibhola. Either you agree with me or you disagree with me, or wena unombono ohlukile. Sikhuluma into efair, sikhuluma ibhola. My prediction for tomorrow, Orlando Pirates 1-0. I think igoli lakhona liyophuma kulibone Siyama because he seems to be the only player that's really motivated this season. Uye umuntu ofuna ukudlala. Owadu uyambencha Brian. Now I'm asking myself, where is Simphiwe Silepe? When are we seeing him get a chance? We've seen enough of these young guys. Please play a player that we know, a player that we've seen do the right things for Orlando Pirates. Sacela tu ayi suka. Ayikho fair lento yenzakala lapha Pirates. And then kunabantu abazongena bakutshela ukuthi no, let the coach do his job. We let him do his job, and his job here lesibekela. It's his job that put us here. We are also live on YouTube. Bafethu, to everyone abasijoinayo TikTok, YouTube, wherever you join us, siyabonga. Your opinion matters here. Azanga la ukuzokuchomela. Angenzi lama live to sound as though I know more about football. Let's all have a conversation. I've never said I'm an analyst. I've never presented myself as an analyst. Manfuna ama-analyst ambanobheka bo-soccer beat nanana anginasikhathi soku-analyze mina ngikhuluma into engiyibonayo and I just want to talk about the game. I don't care about tactical variation, bullying that midfield. Nonsense yonke leyo nto leyo for mina. Ngikhuluma into ecacile, sikhuluma ibhola.